Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Facebook dating not showing up, so let's start. First, you have to check if this feature is available in your country. How you can do it? Let's go to our main menu, then just scroll down and let's go to help and support here, and then let's go to help center. Here on help center you have to write Facebook dating, so just wait a little bit and here just write dating. Just click here and then you will check all the articles that are helping you to the Facebook dating. So let's go to the first one that says Facebook dating here. And then when you click here, you appears all the terms and conditions that you can do it for using the Facebook dating. Okay, so if you want to check, for example, who can use it, you can select any, click on the option for checking it, and who can use the Facebook dating. You can check it's available from the Facebook app for Android, and it's available in many countries for adults. So you have to be at least 18 years old, have Facebook account in good standing, that is at least 30 days old, live in a country where dating is available. So here are the countries that are available dating Facebook, so you can select. If you are in those countries, you can use it, but if you're not, probably you won't use Facebook dating. So if you want to use and you are in another country that is not in the list, I recommend you to use a VPN for helping you to register on Facebook another country and using the Facebook dating option. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.